Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, as the Tulele called for a meeting, and he tell his family that he is living with Spongile, is packing all his clothes and leave tomorrow. He wants to be away from Zwandile for safety of him and his baby mama. While Poppy is the only one that pick up an unfamiliar smell in the house. It is so strong, she vomits. Buhle wants to sell Emsamu to Tushelen, and Tushelen and Nomsa see things differ. They see that the spiritual returning starting to work, while Nairobi is drilling to have a new project while Shira feel like a fake. The daily reject to receipt tell Shira to come out with a different one. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.